Hello Palava, my name is Fofoa Pio. I'm 27 years old and I come from a massive family, massive Samoan family, where I'm the oldest child. And I'm currently a health promoter here at Auckland Regional Public Health Service. So I'm working specifically as a health promoter, but on working for workplaces. So we're developing tools that can support workplaces to think about the well-being of their workers. Growing up, I knew within myself I always wanted to be in a role where I can help people. And so coming from a Pacific family, there were two occupations. It was either a doctor or a lawyer. But for me, I sort of took time to figure that out and I didn't figure it out straight away. I came through Auckland University, just starting off in the undergraduate program, so doing my bachelor's and just carrying on from there. But for me, just looking at the reason why I wanted to do it is, I just want to support others in the health field, especially our Pacific people. So I ended up coming through the Bachelor of Health Sciences program, and after finishing that, I did the postgraduate diploma in public health part-time while I looked for a job. And finding that job, I was able to figure out what I really wanted to do, and then I was able to do my master's in public health. Some of the highlights for me is, firstly, being able to figure out myself, understand what really drives what I really want to do, who my heart and my passions are, but also figuring out what my downfalls are. So for me as a person, I was able to figure that out, but I'm also still on the journey of figuring out myself. Public health is such a broad field, and I'm not a type of person that can stick in one project forever or a long period of time. So being in this public health space gives me the opportunity to, dip my fingers into different areas. In public health, you quickly realize that you're not the only player, you're not the only organisation or person that can make a difference to our populations and our groups. The one thing that stands out for me now are my friends. The group that I came through with, we're working some of the people that I came through years of study. And because we had that similar vision and goal, we're now working together. And it's being able to hold on to those experiences and being able to bring them out here. We always laugh about the jokes and the things that we did together. But yeah, you find your lifelong friends at uni. One of the challenges in coming through Pacific, you're a minority in that group. You're a minority at university as a whole. So for me, it was being able to look back at the reason why I wanted to do this, and for me, it was being able to help those that that was where my heart was at, is helping those that really need the help, and that's our Pacific people. So for me, being able to find friends, other Pacific friends or non-Pacific, and being able to work together to accomplish that role. So as much as studies is a challenge, it's also finding your place and where you fit in and where you have that sense of belonging as well.